Alright, it's been a while since I made a video, so I decided to make one since I'm in the garage. I converted over to electric power steering from a Volvo. It's a 2007 C70, I believe. Yeah, let me show you what I did. So I went on the driver fender well. Did my little wire tugs on my fuse boxes there, but I stuck it there. And I used, I got a hydro boost on this. Those are factory lines, and they all connect in there. I'm going to change the AN, but for now, those are original lines. Yeah, there you go. I got power going to the battery, and one going to the ground, and then a signal wire. Looks a little messy there. I still got a zip tie. I got some of them wires zip tied. I changed my front brakes. I got some Cobra brakes. Some guy was selling them pretty cheap, so I picked those up. Yeah, so there goes my hydro boost. Original lines. It's been a good 2.5, 3 months since I started this thing, so let's see if it'll start right up. Let me crack this door to the garage, because I don't want to smoke myself out. I already got the battery connected. Oh, let me get in here and close the door so we don't have to hear that chime. Alright, make sure I'm in neutral. Oh, let me show you how it sounds. So, let me see. There's a delay. There you go watch a lot of videos on YouTube, but listen to this. Got a little air in there. That's why I'm turning it on, so I could bleed it. But yeah, that's how it sounds. So let's fire it up. See, it's been a while. Let's see. Beautiful. So yeah, any questions, just let me know. Send me a message. I had to power by the hour power steering pump, but it still had that forward whine, you know, when you go turn. So that's the only reason I went over to electric power steering. I got tired of that noise. Yeah, I'm gonna take this out here in a little bit, wash it up, drive it around tomorrow, see how, then I'll give you guys an update. But yeah, that's me for now. Take it easy.